Welcome to the Setting Up to Capture Data, the Basics video. Setting up WinSPC to capture data is done in the Administrator window. It begins with creating your part or process, which you do simply by clicking the New Part Process button and supplying a name. You then define the data to be captured for that part or process. Typically, this is one or more measurements, referred to as variables. To set up a variable, click the New Variable button, supply a name, double-click the variable, and provide a subgroup size and specification limits. To support traceability, it is popular to also create tags, like lot number, shift, or machine. To create a tag, you can just click the New Tag button and name the tag. Once you've defined the specifics of the data you want to capture, you set up a collection plan. To do this, click the New Collection Plan button, supply a name, double-click the collection plan, and add your variables or other characteristics, which you do by clicking the Add Characteristics button and selecting the characteristics. Although more setup options are available, the capturing of data may begin at this point. To preview this, you can right-click your collection plan, choose Data Collection, and key in a few values.